Alrighty guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make up to $126 in one day. And you're going to want to stick around for this because I've got two bonuses I'm going to add to this for you to show you how to make even more money. So stick around and I'm going to get you started on it here right now. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. As I said a moment ago, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $126 in one day, and I've got two bonuses coming at you where you can make even more money on top of that. Alrighty guys, first of all, my name is Kevin Lehner with kevin-lehner.com website, and what we do here at this channel is we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, anything to do with making money online videos to help bring time and financial freedom into your life, and once in a while we throw a motivational video in as well. Alrighty guys, with all that out of the way, also don't forget, if this is your first time to my videos or to my channel, or you've been here before and have not yet subscribed to the channel, I tell you, I can't figure out what's holding you back. Reach down there right now and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, which I do fairly regularly here. Alrighty? Alright guys, with all that to do out of the way here, let's go ahead and jump in on this video here today. Kind of anxious to show this to you. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here with our favorite Opera browser once again. And we're going to load it up here and come over to this website right here. It's called Coinbase. You see it right here, up here in the address bar. You see it's Coinbase.com. I don't know if anybody's familiar with this, but if this has to do with cryptocurrency. If you're not familiar with cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency is quickly becoming the go-to cash instead of paper money that we have today, which is called fiat money, which, by the way, at least here in the United States, fiat or paper money is no longer backed by gold like it used to be back before 1930 in the 1900s. So it's basically paper money is worthless as far as debt goes, and as you know, people still believe that it has value. That's why we still use it today. Okay? But I think you know that even $1 doesn't buy as much as it used to back in the 1920s or 1930s, when it only costed 10 cents for a loaf of bread. Now today you're going to spend about $5 for that same loaf of bread. But anyways, cryptocurrency is becoming the go-to currency in place of paper money. And of course, most of you are probably familiar now, you've heard of Bitcoin. If you look right here, you see Bitcoin. The price of one Bitcoin is equal to $7,193 at this particular moment in time. Of course, the cryptocurrency market is fairly volatile, so the price of cryptocurrency is always going up and down, and it pretty much follows the stock market, so to speak. You see, Ethereum coin is one coin versus is worth $128, and a Bitcoin Cash coin is worth $187 right now. And Litecoin is worth $40 per coin right now, as you see here. And at Coinbase here, you can sign up and you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies right here on this platform. And if you're into that cryptocurrency market, you can buy and sell and trade cryptocurrency right here. And it talks about it. You can set up your own portfolio, which by the way, guys, this is available. In fact, everything I'm going to share with you today, including the two bonuses, is available worldwide. You can do this anywhere in the world, and it's all for free, and all you have to do is have an internet connection. What you'll want to do is come to the top up here. When you get to Coinbase.com, you want to click Get Started here, and you can fill out a free account. Create your account right here, and then once you get your account created, then you can begin to trade and buy cryptocurrency on this particular site. You can manage your portfolio here, do recurring buys, invest in cryptocurrency slowly over time by scheduling buys daily, weekly, or monthly, it says. And they have vault protection, which everything has lots of security on this. And you can even do this, as you see here, on Android and iPhone right here. Okay, and then they're saying that this is the most trusted cryptocurrency platform. There's lots of different platforms out there. Coinbase is probably the most popular here in the United States, and maybe for the world for that matter. And they have secure storage protected by insurance and industry best practices. You see they've done over $150 billion plus in cryptocurrency has been exchanged just on Coinbase alone here. Here it is, over 102 countries supported. Like I said, this is available worldwide, and 30 million plus customers have been served. And you can get started in a few moments. You can create your account for free. You can link your bank account to make this easy and start buying and selling and trading cryptocurrency. Okay, that's a way that you can make money just with a cryptocurrency platform alone, but that's not why this video is being created today for you guys. Look right here. You see right here where it says earn up to $126 worth of cryptocurrency. Right here. It says discover how specific cryptocurrencies work and get a bit of each crypto to try out for yourself. So we click on start earning, and that brings us over here, and you can earn cryptocurrency while learning about the different cryptocurrency coins. And you see some of these right here. These are all different or new coins that are coming into existence on the market today. There's new coins coming all the time on the market. This is called Orchid, and each currency, like you saw with Bitcoin, the symbol for Bitcoin on the market is BTC. Ethereum is ETH. Litecoin is LTC. Same with these new coins right here. Orchid is OXT, you see here. Tezos is XTZ. And DAI, I don't know if you pronounce that DAI or DAI, whatever, DAI, it is the same letters for it. And then EOS is EOS. Stellar Lumens is XLM. Zcash is ZEC. Basic Attention Token is BAT, and OX Coin ZRX, which these are new coins, and they want you to learn about them. In fact, they're going to pay you $126 to learn about these, and you can do this in one day. Now, to show you how you can do that, you start the course. Let's just take Orchid here for example. You click, you can earn up to $52 right here with Orchid. And you click on start the course, and it brings you over here. As you see, you can earn $4 here about telling you about what is Orchid. And look here, guys, it's only a 3-minute video. You see that? I don't know if you can see that or not. If I can get it over here, probably not. Alright, let's come back here. It's a 3-minute video. My zoomer's not working real good here on Windows. 3-minute video there. Lesson number 2, how do you use it? We'll teach you how to work with Orchid and what it's good for and so on and so forth. And you can earn $4 of OXT with a 3-minute video here. And then lesson number 3 is $4 more on another just 3-minute video to earn that cryptocurrency money. And then so on and so forth. And then if we come down here, you can see for Tezos, it's the same thing. You click on that, and it didn't go over like I thought it would. Okay, maybe it's down here. And let's try it again. Nope, so let's go back. It's still showing the other. Let's come back here. Let's see here. Keep on coming back, and then we'll click on it right here and see what we get. Here it is. What is Tezos? Earn $2. Again, just a 3-minute video. What is Tezos baking? Tells you a little bit about what that means in cryptocurrency. It's a 3-minute video. Earn $2 there. Again, how does Tezos upgrade itself? Earn $2 for just a 4-minute video, guys. This is pretty easy to do. You just sit back, watch a video on each of these coins that they're offering here, and you make $2 for that. Here's a 2-minute video. $2 another 2-minute, and $2 another 2-minute video, and so on and so forth. And as it goes down the line, if you go through each one of these particular coins, which there's about 6 or 7 of them here, you will earn a total of $126. So that's how you can earn $126 in one day. You could, if you don't, I mean, it could be done in 2 days if you don't want to watch all those short videos in one day. But my guess is it could be all that could be done in just what, a matter of an hour, probably, if that. Okay. Now that brings me to bonus number 1. There's another way that you can make even more money on this site, Coinbase. If we scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you look right over here underneath the word company, you look down here and you see where it says affiliates. If you click on affiliates right here, and it says become a Coinbase affiliate. Help us introduce the world to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the new financial system. You can click on become an affiliate, and here's how it works. Join the affiliate program and earn commissions by promoting Coinbase. So you'll get a link. You'll get a shareable affiliate link that you can share either on Instagram or on your website or on Facebook groups or on Twitter or any other, even on Reddit.com. You can share these here and get people to sign up. And if you'll notice right here is when you refer a new customer to Coinbase, you will earn 50% of their fees for the first 3 months. So you see right there, that's even a lot more money that you can make right on top of that $126 that you've made just for checking out those new currencies that they're offering on Coinbase. All right, and they have campaign tracking and so on and so forth, and convenient payments, and so on and so forth down through here. You can get paid electronically to PayPal or directly to your bank account, where when you click sign in, or I'm sorry, get started, what you're going to need to do first, and you sign up, and then you can come back and click on become an affiliate, and you'll fill out an application here as well, and go through their steps of filling out this application to become affiliate. And as you see right here, the country, again, I'll show you that this is available all over the entire world, guys. There's more proof of the world availability here on this. Okay, so fill out this crypto application, become an affiliate, and make even more money on top of the $126 that you could make just by checking out the different coins that they have here and watching their short videos. Well, that was bonus number 1, become an affiliate. Bonus number 2, let's say you don't want to fool with cryptocurrency. You don't want to become an affiliate with Coinbase, but yet you want to have your own online business where you can make even up to $4,000 a day. And that is where you click that link that you see at the top of your video there down in my description. Click where it says Mentor with Kev. Come on over there, come through my funnel, and check out the business where you'll get an online coach who will help you set up your business within 15 days and have your own online business with the capability of making up to $4,000, anywhere from $300 to $4,000 in one day, selling high-ticket products and making high-ticket commissions. That's how you can have your own business and get and free up your life completely pretty quickly. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Don't forget to subscribe down there and hit the subscribe button and click the bell. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Also, comment down there in the comment section if you like this video or got any questions about it or anything like that, and I'll get back with you. And also, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. You guys take care and have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.